Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I have some nails from VSALON. I see them a lot on Instagram, and they sent me a message, and they asked me to show you some nails. And I told them that I can't use glue because I'm allergic to glue. So they sent me tabs to press the nails on, but I'm going to show you what it's all about, and let me tell you about it. It says our press-on nail kits feature UV glue, an advanced technology that sets us apart from other brands. It also uses UV light to keep your nails long-lasting, so they can last up to 21 days if you use the glue. They sent me several packages of nails, which I'll show you those in a minute. They sent me the little UV nail lamp. I have it in the box here. We'll take it out and show you. They also sent the UV Cure glue, and it says it's extra strong, and each nail kit comes with glue and also nail oil to protect your nails. And this is supposed to be easier on your nail beds than other types of nails. They also sent this protector. So let's look at the lamp first, and then we'll go from there. This is a little bit different than what I've seen, because a lot of lamps I see you put your whole hand in. This is just per nail. So I thought that was pretty cool. Everything is packaged so pretty, and everything comes in little bags like this, little pink. The pink is their thing. And if I can get this out of here, y'all. Took me a minute to get it out of there. This is what it looks like. It comes with your USB, and this is it. So you'll plug it in, and then you put one nail in at a time. So you can do this. You know, if one falls off, you can secure it with just this. You can do this easily. You know, somebody else is driving in the car. It's easy to do because you can plug this into your USB port in the car. I mean, there's just so many ways that you can get this done. They say it takes just moments, and these are a set of the nails. I'll show you those in a moment. Let's see what else they sent me. Here is a bottle of glue. Everything's packaged so pretty. Okay, that's the glue. And then this says that it is a protector. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. So nail protector. I think this would probably go on after. What you would do is open these up and then put the glue on. I'll show you. Let's open this package, and I'll show you what it looks like when you first open it. Oh, I had already opened this one. Good. Okay. This set here is called Leopard Luxe. Okay, very beautiful. Again, the packaging is so pretty. So the Leopard Luxe, these range from anywhere from like $11.99 to like $21.99, depending on what you pick. And then they also have sales all the time. So this is what the tray looks like. You've got some nails displayed so that you can see what you like. And then you have extra nails here in a little bag. And then you have glue, and you have your oil to protect your nails. So it says that it is the VE glue, which is the same as this large glue, I believe. Yeah. So I think, you know, you'll use all this together. So these are just really beautiful. Leopard Luxe. And then I have Amber Whisper. They're really, see, look at that, the way that the light hits that, y'all. Of course, the ring light's going on there, so let me take that off. Nope, you can't see it quite as much. But it just, look at these are called Amber Whisper. It's like fire. Isn't that beautiful? And there's 24 nails in here, in each package. And this one, I think this one here is my favorite. This is Blossom Flutter. So these, they have just a brilliant sheen to them, And then this one has butterflies. There's a couple of accent nails with some butterflies on it. It looks like a little charm that's on there. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. And then you would use the glue and put it in here and use the oil to protect your nails. And they have instructional videos on their website, which I'll put below. This is the set that I have on, and this set is called, this is First Dance. These are absolutely gorgeous, y'all. Look at that. Look at the sheen on there. So it makes it look three-dimensional, and they are a pale pink, and then the tips, they're done like a French manicure. The tips are silver. So it just catches the light so beautifully. And what I used instead of the glue, most of these companies, they'll say to me, you know, we like your nail videos and we want to send you some nails, but I tell them I can't use glue and that's the end of it. But this company said, well, we have stickers. So they sent me the stickers. And that is the Easy Tab glue is what it says. And it looks like this. Let me find the sheet. Well, I'll take another one out because I don't see my sheet. But it's like this. And they're tabs. These are very nice tabs too. I've had tabs before that I've gotten from other companies, and these are really nice. They're big. They fit well on the nails. And we'll see how long they last for me, y'all. The nails that I use generally have the stickers, and they can last a good while. So these, I just thought, they're just so pretty. They have a great sheen. I love, you know, I love the glittery stuff. Love it. So here they are. They're just beautiful. And y'all, since I'm not able to use the glue and this nice little thing, this lamp is $15.99. The glue tabs are $6.99 on their website. The glue itself is $15.99. When I looked at it, it was on sale for $12.99. So most of the accessories are $10 to $20. So we're gonna do a giveaway. We have the beautiful butterfly nails and these gorgeous fire nails. And these, I took that out of the box to show you. I will put that back in the box. And they say too, when you use the glue, you can reuse these, because when you take them off, you can put them back in the tray and keep them for another time. There's plenty of glue. You can use them over and over again. I'm going to keep this set because I have this on. Maybe, well, by the time we do the giveaway, maybe I'll have these off, but if that's the case, I will give you these fresh ones, even though it's missing 10, so there's 14. You'll tell me if you win. You'll tell me if you want that. Here's the tabs that I use some of these tabs. And then we have the protector and the extra glue. So, and like I said, to find out how all this works, you just go to the website. There's, I think it was the first page of the website toward the bottom, there's all kinds of videos that shows you how to use everything. So it's very informative. They're very nice people. They were very helpful. The prices are great. Anytime I looked at the website, I'm talking back and forth with them for over a month at least. They always had a sale going on, always a sale. So you can find some great bargains. So let's do a giveaway. And if you would like to be considered for this giveaway, then tell me that you like what Anya sent to me. Her name is ANIA. That's my PR lady for this company, VSALON. So say that you'd like to have what Anya gave me, ANIA, and put it in a sentence. And we'll do this. We'll run this for 2 weeks, and I'll have the dates and all the information in the description. YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway. VSALON sent this to me to show you, and I am giving it away. And so we can thank them, but they're not responsible if anything is lost or stolen. I will get a tracking on this package when I send it out. And I've never had anything get lost. I've had a couple packages get lost, but they get found again. They just get delayed, but nothing's ever been lost completely, thank goodness. And this is a beautiful start for somebody that wants to do these nails at home. If you are a person that wears nails with glue, or you've used different machines like this, let me know how you like it, and this would be perfect for you to try. They're really beautiful nails. They're really well crafted. They are not flimsy. Some nails that I put on are really flimsy. These are not flimsy, and they're gorgeous. I wish you could see them better. It's hard to see them, but they're very beautiful. So y'all, let me know what you think, and take care and count your blessings. And thank you so much to Anya for sending me these gorgeous nails. And the butterfly. Count your blessings, everybody.